Hello student. So now moving towards the next topic of your national income aggregates. Uh, this is an important topic and also a difficult topic. If you will understand this means you understand half of the national income. So starting this topic, listen properly. If you have any doubt, please revert me back on my personal window because this topic is important, and if you leave any doubt in the topic as it is, it will be difficult for you all to understand national income properly. So the first thing which is here is that the domestic income earned within the domestic territory and by the residents of the particular country. So another name of domestic income is NDP at factor cost, net domestic product at factor cost. Here you can see the important thing which I want to tell you, that you will see here D word, and D indicate domestic, okay, and N indicate national. Is it clear? D indicate domestic and N indicate national. So the one difference between domestic income and national income is that in domestic you will have D word, net domestic product, and in national you will have N instead of D. So the process starts from here to convert your domestic income into a national income. The first thing which you have to keep in your mind, that if you will get like this GDP at factor cost. GDP means gross domestic product at factor cost. As I have earlier told you that gross can be converted into net, means G can be converted into N by deducting depreciation, and if you want to net to convert in G gross, you have to add depreciation. Just you can see here, if you want to convert your G into N, then you have to deduct depreciation, and if you want to your N to convert in G, you have to add depreciation. So the first step is to change your N word into a G. Is it clear? So we are changing N to G by adding depreciation. Children, in question you will get any kind of thing, means if you can also get GDP, you can get NDP, you can get NDP at factor cost, you can get GDP at market price. Any type of question you will get in your board exam, just you have to convert all those things as per the formula to get your NNP at factor cost. So here we have NDP at factor cost, and we are converting it into a NNP at factor cost. So the direct thing is that you have to convert D from N by just adding NFIA, net factor income from abroad. Instead of FC, if they have given you MP, means market price, and DP at market price. So in market price we include taxes, and at factor cost we don't have taxes included in that. Only subsidies is a part of factor cost, direct tax included in the market price. So if they have given in question that NDP at market price to be converted into NNP at factor cost, so the first thing that we have to convert is that D into N, domestic into national. So we have to add net factor income from abroad. Whatever the income we are getting from the abroad, other countries, we have to add that into a domestic income, so we will get national income. The second thing, that national income is always calculated at factor cost, as I have told you in earlier videos also. So continuing the same thing, MP has to be converted into FC by deducting net indirect tax, because FC does not include any taxes and MP include taxes. Whatever the product you are selling in the market should be include taxes in their MRP, but at the production price the taxes are not the part of the production cost. So is it clear? You have to convert D into N by adding NFIA, and MP should be converted into FC by deducting net indirect taxes. So your national income is NNP at factor cost. फैक्टर कॉस्ट पर ही नेशनल इनकम होती है, मार्केट प्राइस पे नहीं होती है. So three things which I have shared here, that first, depreciation. If you are getting a question like GDP at market price, I am writing here GDP at market price, and you have to convert it NNP at factor cost. The first thing which you have to convert is G into N, so you have to deduct depreciation. The second thing is D into N, so you have to add NFIA. And the third thing is MP into FC, so you have to minus net indirect taxes. Is it clear to you all? I think this concept is clear. So we are moving towards the next concept,